Enjoy the view of this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.